Hello all. So today we are showcasing our Gadwal sarees collection. That's our model Akansha. So hi Akansha.
Hello, hi, namaste.
So first sarees are brocade Gadwal pure silk saree, which is in pink and magenta border, Pitani border. The saree has floral weaving all over. You can see the feel, and the pallu has Pitani weaving, Meenakari weaving, and border also has the same weaving. You can see how beautiful this saree is. It's perfect party wear saree, which is so gorgeous, and 100% handloom sarees. And you can see how beautiful it goes. So this is our first saree, that is Gadwal brocade pure silk saree in pink, baby pink and magenta border. It's Pitani pallu and border. So this is our first saree. If you like to buy it, you can take the screenshot and you can WhatsApp for booking. Thank you. This is our second saree. The purple and again magenta border. All over saree has woven weaving, floral weaving. The pallu is again Meenakari, and border is also Pitani. So this saree is also available for sale. If you want to buy it, you can take the screenshot and you can WhatsApp us for booking. Thank you. So here it's a third brocade pure silk sarees. You can see the brocade weaving all over on body. The pallu and border remains the same, Pitani, with tassels. That's all over brocade body. It's gold and ash color. It's a combination of gold and ash color. Blouse is contrast border color. So this beautiful saree is also available. If you want to buy, you can WhatsApp, take a photo and WhatsApp. Thank you. So here we have our fourth saree, Gadwal brocade, pure silk, Pitani border saree. The body has booty, zari motif, and pallu is Pitani, border is also Pitani. The saree is available for sale. You can take the screenshot and you can share on WhatsApp for purchase. Thank you. So this is our fourth saree, that is again Gadwal pure silk Pitani The sari has Pitani border and pallu. The body, the whole body has zari motif, flower, zari motif. The pallu and border both have floral zari motif and weaving, Meenakari weaving. The blouse remains contrast border color, and sari is available for sale. If you want to take purchase, you can take a photo, screenshot and WhatsApp. Thank you. So this is a very gorgeous, I mean, this saree is something very eye-catching, very beautiful combination of grey and magenta. The whole body has floral weaving, zari weaving. It's a handloom product, 100% handloom. All sarees are silk mark certified. The pallu is so beautiful. It has peacock motif on pallu and border. And the body has floral weaving. It's floral weaving all over. The sari has floral weaving. You can see the full sari you can see, and you can see the feel, how beautiful it is. The sari is perfectly designed for a function, for a wedding. So this sari is also available. If you want to buy, you can send us a screenshot for booking. Thank you. It's in dual shade, Gadwal pure silk brocade sari. So it's in dual shade, dark green color with magenta. The body has zari motif all over. Again, border has a floral weaving. The pallu also has the floral weaving. Pallu is Pitani, and border also Pitani. The whole sari has zari motif all over, and this sari is also available. If you like, you can take the screenshot and WhatsApp. Thank you. So this is our very beautiful sari with a gold and grey combination. Gadwal Pitani pure silk saris. It has peacock motif on border, slightly different from usual colors, and it has again floral motif all over the body. You can see the fillets, pure silk handloom saris. All saris are 100% pure silk, and this sari is available. If you like, you can take the screenshot and WhatsApp. Oh, that's so pretty. I mean, this is in red color, which is very pretty color. Gorgeous. And the look at the pallu and border both have Pithani weaving. It has peacock on border. You can see the peacock weaving. Finally, fine peacock weaving on border, and the body has zari motif. They are very small floral weaving on full body, and it's cherry red color, which is very beautiful color with a royal blue combination. Saree is absolutely fine for any function or party. So this saree is also available, and if you like, you can take the screenshot and WhatsApp. We will display our WhatsApp number. If you like any of our saree, you can WhatsApp. Thank you.